channel. Today I will boxing this my friend, all of these friends, and this all my friends. Let's do it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Go open. Like this. I will help you.
And let's open this well. Whoa!
Wow, what's that?
That's called well.
Okay, well. Wow, so cool.
Same well.
Put in here. Next.
We have this one. This one.
Wait, so what's the name?
Crazy shark.
Crazy shark. Okay.
About
Ah.
biting the people.
Okay.
Bite crocodile.
Ooh. I think this is
It's so small.
this is small. Okay, put the collection. Showing. Oh, that's it. Next.
I will get this.
Oh, what is that?
That's the purple.
Put
Let's
Put on that? in here.
Let's put there.
Put where? Okay.
Here.
Okay, put in here.
And also we have.
Okay, next.
And also we have.
Put in here, look.
We have this
Leaf, just put there.
for seed cutter.
In here. Oh,
Then
next.
let's have this.
What is that?
That's leaf.
Leaf. It's too far away. You put this in there.
And this is another one. This one here.
Okay.
And also we put this.
What is that?
This quarter. So this is a tree.
Okay, the tree. Where you gonna be put the tree where?
Just on the ocean right here.
Oh, the tree, ocean tree?
Ocean tree
Ocean tree.
right here.
Is that? Okay then. Next. Next.
We have we have more.
Oh, more. More grass tree.
Yeah.
More grass tree. Okay, next.
And we have I have this.
Who's that?
It's a ground. One here.
Just put there. Okay then.
Okay, guys.
Okay, put on there.
I have another one.
Uh-huh. I think this need put over
This
here.
is volcano.
Okay, put this one over here.
No, it's not.
Okay then. On here, look. Okay, next.
No, on ocean. It's not here.
It's okay, it's okay. On there. Okay, next.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, on here. Oh, it's here.
Okay. That's it. That's it. Next.
We have. Oh, it's falling down.
Fix that. Okay, I already fixed that. Next.
We have.
Wow, what is?
It's falling down.
It's okay. What is that?
Shark.
Blue shark?
It's okay, that.
It's okay. Okay.
And we have. This
Oh.
one.
Wow. What's the name?
Killer whale.
Ooh, killer whale.
Ten of them.
This one. Oh, you have that before already?
Another one.
Wow, what another one? What's the name?
Mom, she's crying.
Okay, what's the
No,
name?
no, half mom. This her mom.
Where?
He's crying so louder. Will he find his mom?
Okay. Okay, the next.
And we have the other one.
The other one.
Is spring.
What is that?
It's a spider. It's okay.
Just put that in the middle.
Yeah.
That's blue whale.
No, that's
What?
shark.
Oh, blue shark. I'm sorry.
Mommy, please.
Okay, just put that.
So he's done. It's so many.
Oh, that's it all?
Okay, that's all.
That's all. Okay.
So
Now.
I want to get this.
Okay, put that in the middle all. And we have to show him. All the collection. The.
Mommy, I don't want all of that. We have a sea animal. Look, we have one.
Oh, show him.
This one.
What?
See closer.
So, see the close up. Show him. Okay.
It's the most powerful whale.
Okay. Next, showing the neck.
Next whale is this.
Okay.
But it's not sticky, so this.
Showing closer. Oh my goodness. Neck.
This so many whale. This is
Oh my goodness. Okay, next.
We have this.
Okay, showing closer in here in camera. No, closer more. I show you. Ooh, this. Done. Next.
Oh, you broken it.
This.
This is Busha.
Okay. Next collection.
This.
And is the baby one?
Yes, the baby one.
Showing the closer. It's not see yet. Okay, done.
And this one also.
Where?
This.
Oh, you go to the.
Babies. Hi, hi.
Hi, hi.
Look, you love. Her mom.
Okay, that's it all.
That's her mom. That's all.
Okay, guys, this all the collection.
The animal, the animal.
The animal. Okay, this the collection. The animal.
So guys,
So, guys.
that's a photo. But this is good.
Okay, which one you favorite? The animal sea? You want that one? You favorite that one? Okay, we are going to be showing all the animal collection from the dinosaur, the alligator, lion, animal sea. Also, you have Godzilla. How to sound the Godzilla? No, like that. Dinosaur also.
No, the sound guys. Look, he's eating. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye. See you on the next.